Dementia is an umbrella term for a great many progressive illnesses that affect the brain. So the main one's Alzheimer's disease, another one is vascular dementia, another big one is Lewy body dementia, and there are many, many more. It's increasingly an issue as the population is ageing. 800,000 people at the moment in the UK have a diagnosis of dementia. A lot, of course, don't have a diagnosis, and the numbers will increase as the population ages. Appropriate design in dementia care is really crucial because the world can be a very bewildering place if you can't remember, say, where the toilet is, or you can't work out how to use a tap, or you can no longer remember where the coffee and cornflakes are. We know how to make an environment easier to understand so that people can find their way, they can find what they want, they can remain independent.
So we're standing in the grounds of the Iris Murdoch building in Stirling, which was a building that we designed as a headquarters for the Dementia Centre. And this shows really good dementia design for people in the public realm. So it's an office, it's a conference centre, and it also demonstrates lots of good principles about dementia design, acknowledging that people with dementia go everywhere, they're not necessarily just in care homes.
What we need is appropriately designed buildings everywhere. Every public building, the library, the GP surgery, the hospital, as well as your own home, should be made dementia-friendly. We always say the things that will make the greatest difference are enough lighting, because most people with dementia are older people and have impaired vision to more or less extent, and to have the floors a consistent colour. Because many people with dementia have perceptual problems and they perceive a change in floor tone to be a step, and that's when they tumble over.
When we come into the building, we need to be thinking about lots of different things. We're thinking, can the person with dementia easily see where to go? And this comes in at a finishes level, so that we need to make sure that the carpet and the vinyl and the threshold strips are all very even in colour and tone, very similar LRVs, so that there's no trip hazard presenting. We also need to think about maintenance, so that staff are not preoccupied with cleaning, but that things are very easy to maintain and very durable. So these are the sort of things we're thinking about when specifying products for the interior.
Altro manufacture and supply a range of interior solutions for interior surfaces. We make safety floors, we've got walling solutions, we've got resins, and we also have ceiling solutions. And we have international subsidiaries throughout the world. We've got places in America and Canada, Europe, Australasia, and also we've got distribution points throughout the world. A lot of our products go hand in hand, and they're all generated by customer input. It's all about what the customers want as far as our products are concerned. Two such products, for instance, would be Aquarius and the Altro White Rock walling system. The Aquarius is a safety floor for wet environments where you've got both shoes and bare feet, providing safety in places like care homes or assisted bathrooms, domestic adaptations, that kind of environment. As far as the walls are concerned, you need a hygienic solution on the wall, and that's where the White Rock comes in. The Altro White Rock product is a PVC sheet, no gaps, there's no tile, ceramic, there's no grout solution that you need, so it's an easily cleanable, very ultra hygienic product. We've listened to our customers and have also been working together with industry experts, taking research and market insights on board, and we're now starting to build this into our product development programs. As a result of that, we're starting to see the same sorts of colours, the same sort of LRV ratings that you do in Aquarius, and we're building this into all of our products. As a result, you can bring these benefits to people with dementia in a much wider set of environments. We will continue to work with industry specialists so that we can stay at the forefront of design, developing new and innovative ways to meet changing market needs. We're committed to continuing our work in dementia and mental health, working closely with industry experts so that we can keep developing excellent product solutions that help to deliver the best possible quality of life through the design of internal environments.
I would say that the top 3 things you can do to help people with dementia are these. The first is stigma. People with dementia will tell you they can cope with the disease, they can't cope with the stigma, being treated as people who are different, incompetent, strange. We've got to change that, and that's a major public health and public education business. The second thing I think is we can all learn to communicate better with people with dementia. There are very clear and easy skills that make that sort of interaction easier and make the whole business of talking and sharing and being part of things easier for people with dementia. And the third is that we need to change the Disability Discrimination Act guidelines so that they include designing public spaces for people with dementia. Those 3 things would make a huge difference.